Choose the option that best completes the gap. You must study hard this semester in order to avoid being made an object of ridicule, an object for ridicule, a subject for ridicule. The subject, the correct connotation, correct expression is object. Okay, like when people look at you, they start laughing, so you have become an object. Like this thing is an object of writing. Okay, an object of note taking. This pen. So also the person could be an object of ridicule. The subject, the correct connotation, correct expression is object. Okay, like when people look at you, they start laughing, so you have become an object. Like this thing is an object of writing. Okay, an object of note taking. This pen. So also the person could be an object of ridicule. So that's the correct one. Meaning, once that person, that image appears, people begin to mock and to laugh, to scorn. Okay, so A would be the one. Then 21 now. We are halfway. Choose the option that best completes the gap. The student who went home without an exit has apologized on his misconduct, at his misconduct, for his misconduct, for his misconduct, about his misconduct, has apologized for. What are you apologizing for? Have you not heard that before? What are you apologizing for? So I'm apologizing for my misconduct. So it's apologizing for. You apologize for something, whatever it is wrong you've done. Okay, 22. Choose the option that best complete the gap. The man has atoned for as well. This should be for. The man has atoned for his sins. You atoned for. Yes, the man has atoned for his sins. Right, so it's getting faster. Choose the option that best completes the gap. Now, why am I going faster? Why do I like going fast? In fact, I like taking 40 questions within 40 minutes. And why is that? Because that's about the time you have to take the test. Alright? So you must reason, do everything you can within 30 minutes for 40 questions. Train yourself to do that and use our apps, okay, to time yourself. And to do that effectively. If you do that a good number of times, I'm sure you will do well in your exam. Right. Choose the option that best complete the gap. The headmaster was interviewed in connection to the expansion project with the headmaster. You are always in connection with. Connection for, connection about, in connection with. Okay? In connection with. The headmaster was interviewed in connection with. Not in connection for, it's wrong. In connection with is a correct usage. Are you still there? 24. Choose the option best complete. Okay? Best complete still. What do you want me to do now? I'm withdrawing and keeping quiet. And dash withdrawing. Okay? What do you want me to do now? I'm off. See, I'm for withdrawing and with withdrawing. These two will be wrong. I'm for withdrawing. No. I'm up withdrawing. I'm off. Off is better, right? Yeah, agree. What do you want me to do now? I'm off withdrawing. I'm done with this. See, I'm done with this. I'm off withdrawing and keeping quiet. Not I'm up withdrawing. What was that? Up withdrawing. Up withdrawing. Not connecting. So I'm off withdrawing. I'm really like you girls. Okay, lesson 25. Choose the option that best completes the gap. I'm looking forward. I mean, when you see this, you should just know that you're looking forward. It's going to be the right word. So I'm looking forward. Now, they will now be between B and C. I'm looking ahead and seeing if I'm wrong. But we should not even stay on that too much. I'm looking forward to seeing your family. Wrong. I'm here. Wrong. I'm looking forward to seeing your family. I'm looking forward on seeing your family. What is it? I'm sure you are getting it correctly already. I'm looking forward to seeing your family. Good. You are really smart. Choose the option that best completes the gap. Good. Are you still there? This is to congratulate you on your success in the last examination and to wish you. No, this is wrongly spelled. This should be what? Wish. This is to congratulate you on your success in the last examination and to wish you more grace to your elbow. Not more power to your elbow, not some grace, some power. You must have had this expression. Right, more grace to your elbow. Right, so it's this. Choose the option that best completes. Okay. More dash to your elbow. What's it? We already said this. Let's see. Grace. 28. Choose the option that best complete the gap. I will pay my debt dash instrumentally. By instrumentally. In installments. Instrumentally. First, we can cross this too. I will pay my debt in installments. Batch by batch. Parts by parts. Portion by portion. In installments. 29. Choose the option that best completes the gap. The events reported in the newspaper did not happen years ago. They are recent. They had happened recently. There's this wrong grammar there. Wrong use of words. They are recent. They recently happened. The events reported in the newspaper did not happen years ago. They are of recent. This is the best. Best completes. They are recent. Cool. Not so bad. They recently happened. Recently happened not work well because we have happened here already. So why are we having happened 2 times in such a short sentence? So they are of recent is the best. 30. My brother married a loquacious woman. Note the usage. My brother married a loquacious woman. Who is a loquacious woman? A loquacious man, because a man can be loquacious as well. And simple. If you don't know this term, you couldn't guess. You just have to guess the answer, right? Loquacious just means a talkative woman, talkative person. So his wife or the woman is a talkative, talker, blah blah blah. So that is it. That's another one for cautious. Okay, and then the last 10 questions. Choose the option that best completes. Kindly dash me your book because my friend has dashed mine. Hey, a lot of people get confused by lend, borrow, and this question will explain that from very well. Kindly lend me your book because my friend has borrowed mine. When somebody gets something from you, they borrow. Okay? When you get from somebody, you lend. Do you get the difference now between the two? Never forget it. When somebody gets your stuff, they borrow from you. Okay? You don't say, I borrowed her 500 naira. No, I lent her. Are you getting it? So when you give to someone, you lend them. Alright? So kindly lend me your book because my friend has borrowed mine. Good. Alright, 32. Although the manager is busy right now, he will be with you. He will be with you presently. Another word for presently. Although the manager is busy right now, he will be with you immediately. No, he cannot be with you. No. Immediately is okay, but let's say he will be with you soon. Soon is more natural, but he will be with you without delay. No, these ones are exaggerative. They are exaggerative. He will be with you right away. You can use this one, but these two are exaggerative. But the best is soon, clean, natural. Although the manager is busy right now, he will be with you soon. It's natural and clean. Immediately, without delay, right away, could be deceptive. Sometimes. Yeah. Okay, next, step 3. Choose the option that best completes sentence. I've already dashed the picture on the sitting room wall. I've already hung the picture. Hung the picture. Hung the picture. Hung the picture. I've already hung the picture. Hanged. We use hanged when we are talking about execution. So not hung. Hunged. No. Hung. I've already hung the picture. Hung is the correct one. I've hung the picture. Okay? And then the next one, 34. Choose the option that best complete the gap. The public library has stopped. We've seen this earlier. Okay? Giving out, lending. Okay? Lending, receiving, borrowing. So lending. 35. Choose the option that best complete the gap. Femi has been dashed behind the class work. Femi has been lacking behind. Some of you call it lacking behind. It's not lacking, it's lagging. Lagging. So like when you say, my laptop is lagging, meaning not fast enough, not working according to its speed or specification. So Femi has been lagging behind. Good. Let's see. Choose the option that best the present wanton display of riches that's moral in our society is affecting is clean and sweet. Simple, clean and sweet. The present wanton display of riches is affecting, straight up, is affecting the morals or affecting morals in our society. Okay, let's choose the option that best completes. The market woman dash profit ranges from 10 to 50% and making that difficult for the ordinary people. Okay, the market woman whose profit ranges from 30 to 50% are making life difficult. The market woman for whom that's to be whose. Market woman by whose profits. This is the correct way. The market women whose profits, correct, ranges from 10 to 50% and making life difficult. You are right. It's true for the ordinary individual. Let's see, choose the option that best completes. Each of the contestants have each is singular. Okay? Each. When you have each, the connecting verb has to be singular. So each of the contestants has a chance to win. Okay? Because each means one of, or individuality, singularity. So when you underline individuality, singularity, you use has. Okay? Are you still there? Choose the one that best completes. The only set of loudspeakers available that should be connected according to the instruction. Okay, the only set of loudspeakers available. Only set means just one. Even though they are loudspeakers, means they work together in one group. So that's singular. The only set of loudspeakers available, singular. Dash to be connected according to instruction is. This one is wrong. This A should not be here. The only set of loudspeakers available is, because it's one set. Okay, it's not like you have a pair of slippers, a set of slippers. Although there are two, because you have two legs, but they take the singular form. So is singular. And our last question, man, it's very exhaustive. Choose the option that best complete the gap. The police claim that the number of stolen cars, in this case you can see plural there. A number of stolen cars, that means some cars, if you like. So I told you if it's singular, you use has. If it's plural, you use what? Have. So we have A and D. We can cross these two. The police claimed that the number of stolen cars are being, not this being. Okay, this is used for human. Okay, are being recovered. Right. And with that, we come to our end of 40 questions. Can you imagine? You stayed right through 40 questions. You are the real guy, the real girl. Give yourself a round of applause. It was a beautiful, interesting, and educative time. Right. So make sure you also go check other subjects that you'll be sitting for when it comes to your Post UTME exam. We also cover about 50 other exams. So don't be left behind. And make sure you use the app to practice these questions. Okay, practice them till you are sure you can never get them wrong. My name is David and this is AllCBTS. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Hi, I'm sure you enjoyed the video you just watched. To see more content as that, preparing you for your upcoming exam, make sure to smash the subscribe button and turn on notification. Also, remember that you can use the comment section to send us your questions or your inquiries, and we are happy to take them. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.